I'm Sarah, professional makeup artist and licensed esthetician, and I'm going to show you how to apply glitter eyeshadow. What you're going to need is a blending brush, an angled brush, and also a flat-tipped round brush. The first thing that you're going to want to do is put on a nice light-colored base that is going to go on the entire eyelid area and all the way up to the brow bone. This is what the glitter is going to go over, so this will help make the glitter pop a little bit more and look pretty. So then what you're going to do is use your angled brush and get the glitter that you have just on the tip of it. And what you want to do is just start blotting gently, and keep in mind glitter is usually in loose form and it might drop, so it wouldn't be a bad idea to maybe stick, a piece of paper or something underneath your eye just to catch it, but you just got to be careful with it. There we go. And you want to get the entire eye area. And the thing with glitter is it's meant to give a really pretty look. So you can kind of take it out of bounds and bring it up and out. So then what you want to do is come in very, very slight with the blending brush, and you don't want to brush it away. So you want to be very, very soft about it. You just want to make sure that it blends nicely into the brow bone and blends nicely out. And it's okay if it drops a little bit out here or wherever, because it's a glittery look. It's meant to do that. So there you go. Very pretty. So for more tips and tricks, you can check out glowbysarah.com.